Welcome back to a channel that talks about beauty and fashion. We're going to be doing a fluffy eyebrow tutorial. It's mostly seen on models and people that are trying to minimalize their makeup on the clean girl trend, as you guys know. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve that fluffy eyebrows. So what you need is nothing much, nothing extra. And also you can actually use eyebrows if your eyebrows is not naturally full or naturally long. It's fine, you can just improvise in your own way. And my background today
is going to be a very hypnotizing background, so
feel free to look at the background if you want to, or you can focus on me and we can get started on the tutorial. So without further ado, we're gonna get into it. Y'all know my eyebrows is very full, it is very uneven, it's very not smooth, it's just all over the place. So this is my eyebrows I was looking like. So I'm going to be looking outside my mirror, and the first thing is I'm going to take my eyebrow brush and I'm going to just brush up my eyebrows very aggressively. After I'm done, I'm going to go in with my eyebrow mascara. The reason why I'm going in with my eyebrow mascara is because, well, I need to make my eyebrows look fuller than they are truly. So I'm going to use this that I got at my local beauty supply, and it is actually a mascara just specifically for your eyebrows, but I also use it for my mascara because why not. I'm just going to brush it over my eyebrows, brush it over my eyebrows. Getting to your fluffy eyebrows is very easy. There are easy steps to take. So next I'm going to go in again with my eyebrow brush. So I'm just going to brush it again. I'm going to go in with my concealer. Yeah, your concealer. I would go in with my eyebrow pencil just to make the under look more defined. I kept a lot of mascara, so I don't really need that. But if you feel like your eyebrow pencil on the under to make it look smooth and more clean, you can add that. But I'm just going to skip that step and I'm going to go in with my concealer and with my concealer brush. And I'm going to clean up my mess that I created. Okay, so I am going to go in with my beauty blender. I'm just gonna pat it. So I'm going to go in with my eyebrow brush because eyebrow brush is the main character today. So I'm just going to brush it up again, and I'm going to brush down my long eyebrow hair so that it looks more put together. So this is our fluffy eyebrow tutorial. We've come to the end of this video, and this is how my eyebrows turned out. It is very fluffy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to, comment any comment you like, and also give me some ideas to try out in another videos. Don't forget to follow all my socials. They'll be linked down below, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.